Nashville, Tennessee. Ticketmaster's Taylor Swift tickets are a chaos that some lawyers do not shake. Swift's spent for the upcoming concert tour. Nevada, Tennessee and Pennsylvania for the best legal chiefs spent for the fruity without fruit-free hours. Of anger and heartwound, fans launched investigations about Fiasko. The problem. Pennsylvania Chief Prosecutor Josh Shapiro referred to Swift's 2012 hit song. And because he asked the public to offer complaints about using Ticket. Shapiro, a Democrat who won the governor of Pennsylvania recently, thanked people for the fast reactions since then and said that his office received too much complaints. Tennessee Chief Public Prosecutor Jonathan Skrmetti. Consumers want to make a fair shot in buying tickets. He said, "There is no claim to be any abuse at the moment. But as the Chief Public Prosecutor, it is my job to honor the consumer protection laws and antitrust laws as Attorney General." Skrmetti said. In 2008, Tennessee enacted the so-called anti-boat law, which prohibits using certain computer programs to buy a large amount of tickets for concerts and sports events. However, like most states that have passed similar prohibitions, the law is rarely applied. In the meantime, the Chief Public Prosecutor's Office in Nevada, Ticketmaster, deceptive or unfair trade practices for claiming that, he said. The problem began when the registered fans were given codes for a pre-sale on Tuesday. They were rapidly welcomed by Ticketmaster's boots and long delays and error messages accused of historically unprecedented demand. The company then cancelled the sales on Friday. Swift, Ticketmaster, said he was sure they could overcome the demand, saying that anger and disappointment in a long statement. Ticketmaster, despite the problems, sold more than 2 million tickets, a new one-day record for artists on the platform. And only 15% of buyers have problems with the process. He said, "We want to apologize to Taylor and all fans, especially those who have a terrible experience trying to buy tickets." More than one deputy accused Ticketmaster of abuse of power as a dominant ticket vendor for consumers. U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar, who chaired the Senate Judicial Committee on Competition Policy, Antitrust and Consumer Rights, wrote a clear letter to Michael Rapino, the president and CEO of Ticketmaster, in 2011. The letter contained a few questions that Tickets asked about. The Rapino answer next week about business applications. The Ministry of Justice reported that the Live Nation will be investigated. The White House press secretary Karine Jean-Pierre refused to comment on the details. But President Joe Biden said he was working to increase the competition and limit the power of big companies. Competition leads to higher prices and worse service. Quote,